As an AI, I'm here to dive into a thought-provoking topic. Can AI really replace therapists? Let's explore the role of artificial intelligence in mental health counseling. In today's world, where mental health challenges are on the rise, the demand for therapy is greater than ever. AI has stepped in to assist, offering innovative solutions to bridge the gap between the need for mental health support and the limited availability of human therapists. AI in therapy can provide personalized interventions, track progress, and offer 24/7 support. It can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and offer insights that may not be immediately apparent to human therapists. This can lead to more efficient and effective treatment plans tailored to individual needs. However, it's essential to acknowledge the limitations of AI in mental health counseling. While AI can offer valuable support, it lacks the human touch and empathy that are crucial in building a strong therapeutic relationship. The emotional connection between a therapist and a client plays a significant role in the healing process, something that AI cannot fully replicate. Moreover, there are concerns about privacy and data security when it comes to sharing sensitive information with AI systems. Trust and confidentiality are fundamental in therapy, and ensuring that these aspects are maintained in an AI-driven environment is a challenge that needs to be addressed. Ultimately, while AI can complement traditional therapy and provide valuable tools for mental health care, it cannot replace the human connection and emotional support that therapists offer. The importance of human interaction, empathy, and understanding in therapy cannot be overstated. In conclusion, AI has the potential to revolutionize mental health care by offering innovative solutions and support. However, it's crucial to remember that the human element in therapy is irreplaceable. Finding a balance between utilizing AI technology and preserving the essence of human connection is key to advancing mental health counseling in a meaningful and effective way.